Hello, my lovelies. To say that I am excited would be a severe understatement. I am elated to finally be able to share with you my big announcement. In the last few months, I've really been working very hard on this project because I wanted to be able to bring you guys all things blonde hair, all things beauty, all things skincare and makeup, and really be able to break down style and beauty and lifestyle and health and fitness and the inspiration and motivation and even my recipes. And that is now what I have finally been able to do. CrystalNicoleFord.com has officially been launched. I figured what better day to launch the website than today. Valentine's, to me, it just speaks of love and happiness and joy and thankfulness. And that is what this is. It is my thank you. It is my heart expressed to all of you who have followed me, who have been with me on my YouTube journey, who have been with me as clients. It is my way of saying thank you. And I want you to know that I really do appreciate you and I love you. And I have heard you and a lot of your questions and your comments and your emails and your direct messages and all of those things I can now kind of pull together in one place. So on the website, there are very specific tabs and those pages are set aside for blonde hair. So if you're looking for things that are about blonde, you can go straight there. Every single week there will be an update, or bi-weekly there will be an update for all the content on there. So we'll have new blonde videos, we'll have new blonde blogs, we will have blogs that are kind of able to break down products and explain the best of the best and why they work and why they do what they do. And then we will also have hair care videos in general on there, and there will be hair care blogs on there in general. Then you have a separate section that is strictly for inspiration. So if you're having one of those down days and you really need a pick-me-up, you have a whole area that you're able to go to, and it is dressed for motivation and inspiration to get you through the day. It's just take it like an IV of coffee, so to speak. Now, on one of the other tabs, it is where I have all recipes going. So the recipes that I post on my Instagram, when you guys see my food posts and you're asking, what is the recipe? What is the recipe? I will now be able to post my recipes on the website. Over to the next section. This is for all of my style girls. When you are trying to find outfits and remixing your own wardrobe, this is where you'll be able to get tips for style and all of that. I will have designated sections for everything that you guys want to know, and I will finally be able to address a lot of the questions that I have been asked over the years through this channel, when you guys have sent them as comments, when you have sent them as direct messages on Instagram, when you have sent them as emails to me. I want to kind of compile them all in one place and begin to address them on the site. No, this does not mean that I am leaving YouTube. I will still be making YouTube videos, but what you will realize is that all the content, everything about me and all things beauty and blonde and all of that will now be on my website. This allows me to directly interact with you more efficiently and a lot faster, so that I'm not receiving updates or messages that were sent like weeks ago and I'm just receiving them, because that really does break my heart when I realize someone messaged me 9 weeks ago and I'm just now seeing it. So this allows you to submit your questions, submit your messages. It comes straight to me. I am notified about it and I am able to then respond directly back to you. Pretty cool, huh? And no, the website does not cost. It is completely free. It is just simply your place for all things beauty, all things blonde, all things style, lifestyle, health, fitness, all of it. I'm really, really, really excited about it. So that is the announcement that I have been sitting on all this time. Now, for the second part of this video, it is the giveaway that I told you guys about. I'm thrilled. First of all, this brand, Chantecaille, has just blown me away. They are a brand that believes in being philanthropic. They are a brand that believes in being beauty that gives back to the world that we live in. Everything that they create, all of their products, from their skincare line, which is phenomenal. You cannot find better on the market. Seriously, they're just the top of their game. From their beauty to their skincare to everything they create, it's just gorgeous and it's natural and it's pure. Oh, I am in love. So, this palette I have been using nonstop every single day. It is gorgeously encased in silk satin. It has their name imprinted across the front. And when you open it up, there's a beautiful, blossoming, colorful tree. Now, this is their cheek and highlighter palette. I will not say in French what the name of this palette is, but I will write it down on the screen, because this girl speaks English and I don't believe in butchering anyone else's language. So, This is the palette though. It is so stunning. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. They are so versatile. I have been using this literally nonstop. My little fingerprints and brush marks are all across it. Everywhere that I have been traveling, this has been with me in my purse. So I have one that is brand new, freshly sealed and wrapped, that is ready to be sent out. To enter this giveaway is very easy. Number one, be a subscriber to this channel. Down below in the comments sections, let me know that you are a subscriber. Number two, go over to my new website, www.crystalnicoleford.com, and on the first page down below, there's a section that says subscribe. This is where you will put your name and your email and hit submit. It's just that simple. All it does is send me that information, and then I am able to communicate back with you. No, you will not be bombarded with emails. No, your email will not be shared with any other person. The only thing that this is for when you subscribe to the website is that you are able to be updated when the new content goes onto the site, which will essentially be weekly or bi-weekly. But that is as simple as it is. That's as easy as it is. Then I will announce the winner directly to your email to let you know you have won, so that I can ask you what is the best address to ship your palette to. I will also announce the winner on my Instagram, because everyone loves Instagram. It's so much fun. But I'll announce it on both of those ways, so you'll receive a direct message into your email saying that you have won and asking for your address, and on my Instagram I will announce who the winner of the palette is. And thank you so much for your support, for your love, for being a part of my wonderful journey, not just on YouTube, but even in the beauty world as a whole. I love you all, and I cannot wait to see you on the new site. Until then, ciao.